Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Wow, what a soaker today. We're probably going to end up with over an inch of rain, and then we're going to bring in some colder air and some freezing rain and sleet and eventually snow. This evening, as the winds finally turn to the north later this evening, we're going to see that temperature start to come down fairly quickly. 34 with rain at 11 p.m., but by then the northern part of our viewing area will already be in some sleet, freezing rain and snow. And then it looks like we'll transition over to some of that wintry mix here overnight and into tomorrow morning as temperatures finally drop into the 20s. And right around lunchtime, we will see a transition to snow here in the Dayton area late morning into the early afternoon. And some of that snow could be heavy, especially later in the afternoon into the evening for the commute. A winter storm warning in effect through Friday morning. A lot of snow, a lot of ice, especially the ice over the southern part of our viewing area. Rain to freezing rain, sleet tonight. Snow too with that mix to snow on Thursday, and then heavy snow likely for the afternoon hours tomorrow. Lighter snow Thursday night, but the winds pick up. Blowing and drifting snow is going to be a concern. Still looking at about 6 to 12 inches on either side of that I-70 corridor by about, roughly 10 miles or so, 10 to 15 miles. More likely to see some of the heavier totals tonight and early tomorrow up north, and then the ice and the freezing rain, the sleet in the southern part of our viewing area could be a quarter to about a half inch, and that'll knock down some of those snow totals. So it looks like from north side of Dayton northward, perhaps 8 to 12 inches of snow on the ground by the time we get to Friday morning, and then a quickly tapering off after that. But even down south Cincinnati could be looking at in a range of 2 to 4 inches. Ice forecast, here's the freezing rain that'll be coming down, the potential for accumulations of anywhere from a couple tenths of an inch to about a half inch, especially southeast of the Dayton area. So with that, potential for some power outages, especially with the winds picking up tomorrow night, some of that drifting snow and the heavier accumulations falling in our region. Lows tonight expected to drop down into the low to mid 20s up north. Looks like mostly mid 20s, maybe some upper 20s south. And then temperatures tomorrow are just going to more or less hold nearly steady, maybe a slight rise by a degree or two. Goodwill Auto Auction camera looking at that rain, even some fog this afternoon that's been around the area, and the precipitation continues to come down. Some moderate to heavy rain into Butler County now. Up north where it looks like some moderate rain, we're probably getting a little bright banding aloft. Some of that mixed precipitation around Greenville, Piqua, Loft, and eventually that'll be turning to some of that snow and ice later on this evening in our northern counties. Already freezing rain being reported around Indianapolis, and they've had heavy snow today over the northern part of Indiana. Okay, that's wave one. Here comes wave two out of northern Texas and the southern Plain states, and that'll bring more snow in our direction tomorrow. Right now 41, south-southeast wind at 11 miles per hour. The barometer's falling. It's already dropping into the mid-30s up north, indicating that wind shift. So ice could start to form in the next couple of hours in our northern counties. There's your future track forecast. At wintry mix over us tonight, and then you can see that dark blue indicating the heavy snow that'll be over us around midday tomorrow. Here's your forecast tonight. We expect rain to freezing rain and sleet, snow to the north, hazardous travel conditions, low 25. And tomorrow that winter mix goes over to heavy snow in the afternoon. Could be about 6 to 10 inches over, especially from the Dayton area northward by the time we get to the evening hours around 7 o'clock. Your forecast showing those numbers dropping through the 20s, and then drifting snow on Friday, 20 the high. Could be some morning snow showers, sub-zero lows Saturday. It is going to be a frigid weekend.